Okay, so this is video 2 for week 10. So please pause the video and go to DC Connect and go to the Assignments tab and open the cover letter resume assignment document so you have it on the screen for the rest of the time that you're watching this video. Note what the due date is because I put it in the Assignments tab as an assignment. It should show up on the calendar to remind you, but please make sure you record the due dates so you don't forget. So the first thing that you're going to do on that assignment, you'll see it says you're going to create a cover letter and resume that are targeted for a specific job. So you have to submit a job posting. If you don't submit a job posting, I won't mark the assignment. Let me say that again. You must submit a snip. That means an image, a picture of the job posting into this assignment. Okay, so you insert it right here. And I want you to make sure that you have the IT skills and the knowledge that's required, but I also want to make sure that it appeals to your high five strengths. So to make sure, go and find that high five strengths again and put a snip of it in right here, okay? And then what I want you to do is look through that job posting, and I want you to get out a circle, right? So insert a circle. Use Microsoft Insert Shapes, Microsoft Word Insert Shapes, and insert a circle to identify some of the high five skills that you have that are listed on the job posting. Now, I don't expect it to actually say peacekeeper, but I'm hoping that it might say something like you need excellent conflict resolution skills. So that would be a good match for you if you had peacekeeper as one of your high fives. Okay, so if you're not sure where to find a job posting, these slides will walk you through some places you can find IT-specific job boards. Okay, so do that. You could also use something like Indeed, Monster, or Glassdoor. And this is a little description of what those are. Okay, so like I said, as you're looking at the jobs, make sure they're a good fit for you. Okay, so we want them to reflect your high fives and also the skills and credentials that you'll have when you graduate. So 2 activities for you to do. You need to complete these on the worksheet, on the assignment. You're going to actually save that assignment and submit it. Okay, so I told you you're going to post the snip of your high fives, circle the things that are similar to you, and then you're going to go through the actual job posting, the job that's from Indeed or wherever, and you're going to identify the IT technical skills, so the programming language, a specific certification, a specific academic credential. So those things that are concrete. I don't expect this entire chart to be filled in, but do list probably the 5, 6, 7 things that are required on the job posting. And then what I want you to do in this side is try to think of a task, a duty, or something that you've done that demonstrates you have that skill, so that we're seeing that this is a good match for you, this job. And then what I want you to do is the second chart on the assignment. And now we're looking at soft skills or employability skills. And these are things like conflict resolution skills, communication skills, or teamwork skills. So look for those terms on the job posting and then provide an example from your jobs, school, volunteering that provide evidence that you have the skill. And that ends video 2 for week 10.